Kaveri. First of all, I know this institute from my friend. My friend referred to join this institute. This is very best thing in Bangalore. That's the reason to I will join this. I went join this institute. When I listened the demo class, after I decided, oh, compulsory I got a job in this institute. So I want to join this institute only. So it's very good institute in counseling, in management also. If we have any problem, definitely within minutes they solve it. Trainer will also very good because of he trained very well. He take class and he clarifies doubts is also very nice. His explanation is also very nice. Management counseling is very good. That counseling I will join in this institute. First, I was joined in the only classroom classes, but suddenly Corona COVID-19 was coming. That time we are in only homes. That time sir will give for me online class also. Same time, same rules and regulations they will conduct every day in online class. Every day we will attend the online class. The sir will clarify the doubts after the class also. She clarified the doubt. He take only 1.5 hour to 2 hours only code. But we have any doubts, sir will take 10 minutes, 20 minutes extra also. It's very nice. In this lockdown time also, we learned so much from this institute. So I recommended you. If you have any interest, anyone interest to join in IT side, so compulsory train in this institute. This is very basement of our career. So best of luck, guys.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.